Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe featuring cauliflower. And as you know, cauliflower is a superfood, full of fiber, full of vitamins. So I've got this nice big head of cauliflower that I'm going to cut up. And I've got a Yukon Gold potato. I'm going to boil these until they're tender. And what I'm going to make is, you could call it a twice-baked casserole, cauliflower casserole. I'm not really sure what I'm going to name it yet, but it's going to be baked with all kinds of deliciousness, some plant-based cheese sauce in there. So let's get this cauliflower going. So I've got the cauliflower all cut up. Just going to put it in this big pot of water, along with this Yukon Gold potato. And we're just going to boil this for 15-20 minutes till tender. So the cauliflower and the potatoes have been cooking. They're nice and soft. I'm going to transfer them into my food processor here. Then we're going to blend this up. So you want it to be like a mashed potato consistency. So we're going to put this into a bowl, and then I'm going to add all my spices. Now let's spice this up. First thing I want to put in is about 3/4 of a cup of cashew cream. We want this to be super creamy. Then we're going to add, we've got some oregano, nutritional yeast, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. I'll put the exact measurements in the description box. So we'll stir this in. Okay, I was going to add a container of this cashew yogurt, but you know what? I don't think it needs it, so I will save that for another day. So I'm gonna also add some red onion and some parsley. This is all going to go into this pan here. And I'm making a mess, as usual. So we're just going to level this out, and then we're going to top this with my plant-based cheese sauce. And we're just going to dollop on a little cheese sauce. Don't need a lot. Just give it a quick little spread here. All right, let's put this in the oven. We're going to bake this for about 30 minutes at around 375, and then we will check after about 30. This came out really, really good. I broiled it for a few minutes at the end just so I can get that little brownness. Try it out. Maybe put a little more parsley on there. Yum. Look at how creamy that is. Yummy. All right, let's give this a taste. So here's another closer look. I probably let it cool for a little bit too long because my cheese sauce kind of got a little weird, but that's okay. It will still taste good. All right, here we go. So good. So good. The red onion's still a little crunchy, and all those spices, so good. such comfort food. You will love it. I mean, cauliflower is so versatile. You know, you can use it in everything. And this came out super creamy, like mashed potatoes. Adding that Yukon Gold potato really helped to kind of give it that extra depth of flavor. So definitely give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.